مرحبا شباب، هنبدأ هلأ بالجزء الثاني من حساب الوسط الحسابي اللي هو اسمه weighted mean. The rule for weighted mean is equal to the sigma of wx divided by sigma w, where the w's represented the weights or the frequencies of the values x1, x2 till xn respectively. For example, number 1, a store contains 50 toys with average price $3 each. Here 50 toys represent W1, $3 represent X1, and 100 toys with average $5 each. Here 100 represent W2 and the average 5 represents X2, and so about 60 toys with average $10. Find the average price for each toy in the store. We substitute in this rule. X bar is equal to 50 multiplied by 3 plus 10 multiplied by 5 plus 60 multiplied by 10 and divided by the total number of toys in the store, which is 210. So the average price for any toy in the store will be $5.95. Another example for the weighted mean: a student received the following grades in 4 courses. In English course, he has grade 4 with credit hours 2. So biology, physics and math. Find the grade average. Same way, x bar is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 29, divided by the total number of hours, which is equal to 2.42. This is the weighted average. The third part of the arithmetic mean talk about the mean for group data, or simply the mean, how to calculate the arithmetic mean for the frequency tables. The rule is x bar is equal to sigma xf divided by f, where x, any value of x, is the midpoint of the class. For x1, the midpoint for class 1, x2, the midpoint for class 2, and so on. Fi is the frequency of class I, f1 the frequency for the first class, f2 the frequency for the second class, and so on. This is an example to explain how to calculate the arithmetic mean for the frequency tables, or what we call the grouped data. Calculate the arithmetic mean for the following frequency table. In this table, they give us the class limits and the frequency. We always represent frequency by f. So to answer the solution, to answer this question, we should add 2 other columns, the midpoints, which represented the x, and multiply f by x in the 4th column. So this is the calculations, and x bar will be the total sum of f multiplied by x divided by the total sum of frequencies, and it will be 8.55. Another example, how to calculate the arithmetic mean for the frequency table. We have patients attending a hospital. We have class limits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 classes with frequencies. In the same as the above example, we have to add 2 columns, x and fx. There's a note: if they give you midpoint in the question, you can add only the f multiplied by x. So calculate, and there will be 31 patients per day. This is an exercise for you. Try to solve it. Here they give us the actual limits, so you have to add another column, the midpoints, which is the lower plus upper over 2, and multiply f by x. This is the end of part 1 of the measure central tendency that represents the arithmetic mean.